What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick and early update here on nat gas, coal, silver, and crude oil, starting with natural gas. And the reason I'm doing early update as I have a live session, members only live session at 6 p.m. UK time. If you are a member, you should have received the link of live session already. So see you guys very shortly. So starting with natural gas. And as you can see, we are still ranging sideways, but price has also formed this symmetrical triangle. 1, 2, and 3 touches here, and right here 1 and 2 touches right here, support and resisting the upper triangle pattern right here. So at this point, the breakout we are just waiting for. If we have a breakout above with a good candle, like a good and big momentum candle, if we have that, a strong candle above that itself is an entry, and stop loss can be below this pattern. Take profit can 1-to-1, and you can manage it 2 ATR or 1.4-to-1. That's totally up to you. Initially I'll use 1-to-1. So that's what I'm looking at here on nat gas symmetrical triangle. If broke below, in that case we're gonna fall to this yellow box, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out and mark these zones on your chart. So if fall below, we're gonna look at the short-term short trades, not long term. For the long term short trades, I want to see a complete break and close below this zone, and then we can start to look for the bearish continuation trades. But if you have broken below and price falls, short term entry, stop loss can be above, take profit 1-to-1. And then if you have a condition in this zone like double bottom or bullish engulfer, in that case we're going to go long. So wait for the breakout. Once we have a breakout, we are good to go for our entries, and take your trades on your own risk. It's just my opinion, and nothing should be taken as any sort of trading advice. This is something I personally trade and sharing with you guys. So here on capital.com, exactly the same. It is not a valid head and shoulder pattern, in case you are wondering. For the valid head and shoulder pattern, I want to see a price to hit my upper termination zone, then give me a bearish condition to take my sell trades. If we still do not have a right shoulder completion, so still looking at this pattern. Again, similar breakout above with a good momentum will be a buy signal. Take profit below, stop loss below, take profit 1-to-1. You can start initially, and if you are broken below, we can likely fall to the next level of minor support, which is right here, which I've already mentioned in my yesterday's video. A good level right here from where the price has previously bounced up and bounced down as well. So pushed down as well. So this is what I'm looking at. Triangle pattern. Let's see how it break. We have resistance above right here, and we have support of this pattern right here as well. We do have a triangle pattern here on mix as well, so that's what I'm looking at. Let's see how it goes. I'm still looking for double bottoms if you are trading on this platform. If you have rejection here, we have a buy entry, but if you have broken above with a good momentum, it's not something I'm looking at. I'm looking at a complete body that must close above with momentum. If we have that, we are good to go long. Stop loss can be below, take profit 1-to-1. Remember, it is an aggressive entry, not a less aggressive way to enter, and that can be risky as well, and I would use very low risk if I'm taking an entry using these triangle patterns. So that's what I'll be looking at. Let's see how it goes. If broke below, then we have a sell signal, but we need to see a complete bearish candle above or below for our buy or sell trade respectively. Next one, we have a silver. So as mentioned yesterday, that we are now heading towards this anchor level. We have a rejection. Now if the next candle turns to be a bearish engulfing candle, in that case that would be a valid sell signal. Or if the price pushes up strongly, then pushed back down, left with a wick, and we have a bearish pin bar or a 382 candle, in that case we'll have a sell signal. But it is not a major zone, just an anchor level. Again, a risky entry. I'll be looking for my entries like this on a major zone, which is above. But if you're someone who wants to take the risk, and that will be an entry, stop loss can be above, take profit can be 1-to-1 initially, and then you can manage it accordingly. So that is what I'll be looking at. Not taking any pullback entries until we are completely broken above this high. Only then I'll start to look for a pullback and bullish continuation trades. Otherwise, if we are broken above with a good and strong momentum without the price giving us condition, in that case we have a zone above right here from where I'll be looking at my aggressive counter trades with bearish engulfers or double top entry patterns. That's what I'll be looking at. We are getting a possible double top here, and price will likely push down if we have a condition. Looking at gold and silver ratio as well, we have a rejection here at the support area, a major support here on ratio. As you can see, previously this level acted as a good and level of significance. That is why ratio can likely push up from here, and if we have a push up on ratio, we'll have a fall on silver, and silver has hit a level of resistance as well, signaling us that price will push down, aligning with the ratio as well. And if you look at gold, it is also at the level of a termination zone for the head and shoulder pattern. If the next candle turns to be a bearish engulfer, that will be a sell signal, and price will likely push down at least till this termination zone. Once broken below, that will be an entry number 2 triggered, and then it will push lower from it. But if you're an aggressive trader, that bearish engulfer can be your entry. If this is a pin bar, that would be an entry as well. Stop loss can be above, take profit can 1-to-1 initially. So keep an eye, and these are the conditions I'll be looking at for my trades. Lastly, we have crude oil nicely pushing up out of the level of support we've been mentioning from last couple of days. Again, I'm still looking at the price to break above these highs. Once we are broken above, we'll turn completely bullish and price will likely push up from here. This level we are waiting for the price to break is 78.06. That goes up to 79.97. Once we are broken above this high, we're going to start to look for the pullback, retest of this level, bullish engulfer for the aggressive entry. Or once we are broken above this high, if there is no retest, just a pullback followed by bullish engulfer, and keep on taking longs as of a pullback entry bullish. So that's what I'll be looking at. Price will likely push up, and once we are broken above, we are looking at the level above, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming videos once we have a good momentum above the price. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day. Take care.